Hi guys, today we are going to make watermelon juice. So let's get started with the recipe.
First I'm adding 2 cups of watermelon pieces, 12 to 15 mint leaves, half lemon's juice, 2 teaspoons sugar. You can even skip this if you don't want to have sugar. 1 teaspoon of rock salt. And now we'll blend everything well. Pour the juice in a glass. You can even refrigerate it for some time and serve it chilled. I'm decorating here with a piece of watermelon and some mint leaves. And there our watermelon juice is ready.
Wow, this is so refreshing. I hope you like it. Do give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.